What's up guys, my name is Alex, this is my third Gen Tacoma, and today we have the top 5 interior mods for under $50. So YOTAVERSE has some great interior options to go with, starting with the backseat MOLLE panel here. So if you're out in the backcountry, out camping, you can add everything you need right back here for quick, easy access. Next, we have a full interior LED kit, which is a great option to brighten up your whole interior as well as use less power. And then right here, we have these vent rings, so it takes out that ugly chrome and it is able to stylize your interior. They're kind enough to send me a shift knob to replace your boring old OEM shift knob that comes with your regular Tacoma. A handy dandy console organizer, allow you quick access. You can put your phone here, you can put sunglasses. I'm a big sunglasses guy here in sunny California, so we need that. And finally here we got these nice red knob rings that are gonna cover everything from your AC to your heat, and it's just a nice interior stylization to get away from that ugly chrome. So first thing, we got this awesome shift knob from YOTAVERSE. Super easy install. All you're gonna do is unscrew your original shift knob and then just pop this guy right in. These interior front dash mods, we got these 4 vent rings for the 4 AC vents up front. And the nice thing about these is there's 3M adhesive on the back, and you do not have to take any of your dash apart to put these on. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna rip the 3M off of here, and then we're just gonna press and stick it on there, and boom, you have a nice red accent similar to the TRD Pros. Alrighty, we got all these installed, and once again, this is a great way to clean up your interior and get rid of that ugly, ugly chrome that we don't want. To finalize the front of the truck, we got these nice knob rings that are so easy to just press right on in the front here. Just goes right over the OEM caps here. Simple as that. Alrighty, and then we have the console organizer here. It's a super nice little insert, and if you're kind of an OCD person like I am, organization is huge, and just having quick access to everything in your center console is awesome. So we're just gonna take this, we're gonna just slot it in right there, and then boom, you're all set to go. You can put your sunglasses in there, you can put your keys when you're driving. It has 3 sets for coins. It's killer, guys. Guys, you know, in your stock Tacoma, they always come with orange or yellow halogen lights that aren't very bright, don't do a whole lot. I already installed these, but these are the YOTAVERSE interior design light kit. And then, you know, it's so bright. We're filming in the daytime right now, and you can still see how bright these are. It's a great addition to the inside of your truck. And one thing that is super awesome about this kit that not a lot of kits that I know about does, it gives you these nice license plate lights, which perfectly light up your license plate at night.
Simple as that.
Don't get tickets. And finally, to cap off the top 5 interior mods for your Tacoma, we got this nice back of the seat MOLLE panel here. And all you're gonna do to install this is come in here, it clips right around your headdress, and then also just clips right around the front of your seat. And then bada bing, bada boom, you're done, and you got more storage options. Alrighty guys, and that is a wrap on the top 5 interior mods that you can do to your Tacoma. Thank you to YOTAVERSE for making such a great product that's so easy to install for anybody with any skill level to install on their 3rd Gen Tacoma. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more adventures.